In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do conditional formatting for your rows here in Google Sheets. So let's say we want to format our cells or our rows based on our criteria that if this person has made a profit of more than 10,000, his or her row will be highlighted. So how do we do that? Let's first figure out if this person has made a profit of over 10,000 with the logical test. Let's start with our equal sign. Put in your cell reference, then greater than the amount of 10,000. So the first row is a true. Now let's do that with the rest of our data. So we have true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. So what we're going to do is a bit similar to conditional formatting based on other cells. So we're going to copy this formula right here. Select our range, which we want to format. Go to Format, select Conditional Formatting. And again, we have our format rule of is not empty. That's why everything is highlighted. Let's go to our custom formula is, paste in our formula, and you will see that there's something wrong with our highlighted range. So the first range is correct, but the second range is not, and the rest are not highlighted, meaning there's something wrong with our custom formula. So let's delete that and go back to our logical test right here. So if we try and check what's happening, go and drag this to the right up to the 6th cell. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we have 6 cells right here or 6 columns. And if we drag it down, and you'll see that there's something with our formula. So if you click on this, our cell reference has moved. So instead of being this one, it has turned into this one, and so forth. So what we want to do is to lock our cell reference or our column right here. So if we put in a $sign right there, it's still true for the rest of the range. If we drag it down, now we have the correct answers. So we have false throughout, true all out, and false throughout. So now that we have our correct formula, we're just going to copy this one. Select our range again, go to Format, select Conditional Formatting, go to Custom Formula is, paste in the correct formula, and there you have it. Now we have highlighted the correct rows in our dataset. So let's just select another color because I'm not really a fan of green, and done. So even if we delete this logical test, it's not going to affect our dataset. And now we have correctly formatted those people who have had a profit of over 10,000 here in our dataset. And that's how to do conditional formatting for your rows here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.